Unfortunately, this year we will not be able to host PSL matches. We procured bucket seats for that stadium, and I was in China to inspect, and we were accompanied by officials from ZIFA. Our bucket seats were certified as meeting the required standard to host international matches. So as we speak, the bucket seats are on the way to Zimbabwe. We expect to get delivery in the next 6 to 10 weeks if there are no delays. But this project, when we get delivery of these bucket seats, we should then start on the fitting, which may take 4